Hello everyone, welcome to the shortcomings and wishlist video for the Social Wall version 2 project. My name is Steve Noel. I'm the lead developer and the Scrum Master for this project. So in this video we will talk about some of the functionalities that we wish we could have implemented in the system if we had enough time, and some of the shortcomings or issues with the current system. First, let's talk about what the Social Wall actually is. So the Social Wall is an iOS mobile application that allows picture marketing users to view their images on large screens using Chromecast devices. So basically the user from his phone can communicate with the Chromecast device and launch his images on big screens. So now that you know what the Social Wall system is, let's talk about some of these functionalities that we weren't able to implement or issues with the system. So first let's explain these images on the bottom of the screen. So on the bottom left hand side of the screen we actually see screenshots from the actual application, the mobile application. The image all the way to the left is the login screen of the image, of the application. That is the first screen that you see when you open the application. The image next to that is the main view once you log in. So basically, once you've logged in, the system shows you a list of campaigns that are stored on the system for your account. Campaign is nothing more than an album of images. And how the system works is you connect to the Chromecast device, and once you're connected you can select the campaign, and those images from that campaign will be shown on the screen in a slideshow format, one after the other, like we see on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So once you connect, the screen will turn black, and then once you select the campaign, the images will be displayed one after another in a slideshow format. So let's talk about the functionalities that weren't able to be in the system. We weren't able to change the background color of the system. So currently, as it stands, there's simply just a black background. We would have liked to have give the user the ability to change that color however he feels the need to. Another functionality that we didn't really get to was having custom graphics to the receiver application. This is the application that is running on the screen. So as we see on the bottom, it's just a blank black screen. So we would have liked to have added maybe a logo, a picture marketing logo, maybe have custom messages showing the user if he's connected, if he's disconnected, things like that. Another feature was allowing the user to change the animations. So currently in the system, the image slideshow just each image essentially changes without any animation, just displays the next image. So we would have liked to maybe implement different animations, like sliding animations. So one image would slide out of the view, the next image would slide in. Essentially different animations to make the system nicer and look better for the user. Also, we would have liked to have the user change the delay time between images. So for example, have a drop down and having with specific times, say 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and when the user selects that, that's the amount of time that each image is shown before the next image appears on the screen. And finally, some of the shortcomings in the system is that sometimes when the system is disconnected from the Chromecast, the user of the mobile application does not get notified of this. So the user might be clicking on campaigns or selecting other buttons and nothing really happens. on the Chromecast receiver application or the application running on the screen because the user is disconnected, but the system does not alert the user that is disconnected. So simply the user does not know and is pressing buttons but nothing happens. This bug appears randomly. Sometimes the system does show the user that it's disconnected, other times it doesn't. So this is one of the big shortcomings of the system. So that is it for the shortcomings and wishlist video. Again, I'm Steve Noel. Thanks for watching.